Hi guys, today I'm going to show you an easy meal prep using salmon and asparagus. The ingredients that you will need are a bunch of asparagus, salmon fillets, I'm using 6, 4 ounces of butter, sweet chili sauce, soy sauce, black pepper, garlic salt, and lemon pepper seasoning. Start off by preparing your asparagus. Go ahead and wash it and then cut off the ends. And this is optional, but I like to cut my asparagus in half. You can leave it whole if you want to. Next, we're going to prepare our sauce mixture. So in a bowl, add about 6 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, followed by 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Give that a nice mix and then set aside. And then take your salmon, make sure it's washed and pat dry, and place on a covered baking sheet. Then you're going to take a few pieces of asparagus and place it next to the salmon. Season the asparagus with lemon pepper and season the salmon with garlic salt and black pepper. Then you're going to top it off with the soy sauce and sweet chili mixture. Place a small piece of butter on the asparagus and salmon, and then you're going to wrap it up like so. Then repeat the process with the rest of your salmon and asparagus. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Place all your salmon on a baking sheet and bake in the oven for 15 minutes. And that's it, you're done. Enjoy!